A tyre contains air. However, this air inevitably tends to escape. Little by little, the tyre deflates. There are several consequences to this pressure drop. Since the tyre is more distorted, it overheats more and wears out more quickly. Handling precision deteriorates and the fuel consumption increases. In the worst case, the risk is disintegration with the loss of control of the vehicle. It's therefore essential to check tyre pressure regularly. This operation, however, requires some explanation. In fact, the standard pressures displayed for each vehicle, or read on the inflation table, are valid for a cold tyre. What is a cold tyre? It means a tyre that has not driven for at least 2 hours, or has driven less than 2 miles at low speed, in city driving, for example. This means very often during verification the tyre will be hot. In this case, it's normal for the pressure, which increases with temperature, to be higher on a hot tyre than on the same tyre when cold. To be precise, the hot pressure must be 4 psi higher than the cold pressure. If this is not the case, it must be adjusted. For example, imagine a tyre with the recommended pressure of 29 psi cold. After driving, which makes it hot, it reads 30 psi on the pressure gauge. Although this pressure is higher than the nominal pressure, you must readjust to 29 plus 4 psi, i.e. 33 psi, to integrate the hot tyre effect. What if in the same situation you read a value higher than 33 psi? A golden rule then applies: never deflate a hot tyre. Other circumstances may lead to the adoption of a higher inflation pressure than recommended. Plus 4 psi in the event of more than 2 hours projected highway driving. Plus 6 psi for the rear tyre of a vehicle towing a trailer or a caravan. As you can see, tyre pressure requires special attention. It must be checked at least once a month and systematically before long trips. Remember to refit the valve caps. Oh yes, one last detail. Remember to check the spare tyre too.